There are 98 million homes in the U.S., and only 3% currently have solar. By 2035, 40% of all U.S. homes will have solar. This will create massive wealth. Are you ready? Apricot Solar was founded in 2017, and since then has helped over 16,000 satisfied customers make the switch to solar. This created over $700 million in solar projects, saving homeowners an estimated $1 billion over the next 25 years. It's the equivalent of planting 46 million trees or burning 4 million barrels of oil. With inflation rising higher and higher and the price of fuel and energy increasing, homeowners are getting squeezed by crazy utility costs. Because of this, more and more homeowners are switching to solar. Apricot Solar has the lowest pricing in the solar industry, and with a 30-state install footprint, offers the highest value to customers. Joining the team has never been easier. There's no cost to join and no monthly fees. In fact, over 15,000 new affiliates have joined in the past 12 months. Let's talk about getting paid. Getting started as a new affiliate, you can work part-time from home or anywhere. Affiliates can make up to $3,000 per sale, just for referring homeowners that get a solar system installed. So if you did 2 sales in a month at $3,000 each, that's $6,000. By helping homeowners make the switch, solar advisors grow their sales to $6,000 per sale. So if you did 2 sales in a month at $6,000, that's $12,000. By becoming a trainer and advancing to junior partner, you can earn $7,000 per sale. So if you did 2 sales at $7,000, that would be $14,000. Junior partners also get overrides of $1,000 on each of their team sales. So if your team made 12 sales in a month, you would earn an additional $12,000. Adding it up, you earned $14,000 from your personal sales, plus an additional $12,000 from team overrides, which gives you a total of $26,000 for the month. Schedule your orientation now by completing the online application, and get back to the person who shared this information with you today.